Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Family's Kitchen. Today let's make Methi Paratha. Ingredients: 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of water, 100 to 200 grams of methi leaves, some powdered spices. Take a bowl, add in 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon ajwain, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste. Mix it well. Add in methi leaves. Knead it. Then add in oil. Alongside water to knead a soft dough. Rest it for 10 minutes. Roll it. Spread ghee. Roll slightly thick. On a heated pan, place the paratha. Flip it over and brush some ghee. Repeat the same. Cook both the sides and your methi paratha is ready to enjoy.